outdoors activities, so she is little bit different.
Kikli. Disli kandilu. They cry, Kolu, cry. Cry, Disli. Disli, clap, Kolu, clap. Clap. Disli, where is your nose? Nose. Disli, where is your eyes? Eyes. Disli, your eyes. That's mouth. Eyes. Good job. Disli, the head. Tap your head. Yay! Disli, the teeth. Teeth. Disli, good job. Disli, where is your ears? Ears. Where is your ears? That's teeth. Where is your ears? Ears, Disli, nine. Disli, the tummy. Very good. You know a lot of things, Disli. Give me a high five. Yeah. High five. Okay, there. And me high five. Let's see how she's going. Ase, Disli, Ase. Disli, Ase.
Come on, don't be scared. I'm here. Come to me.
Let me help.
Okay.
If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. Disli, clap your hands. Okay. Ding, ding. This is donkey. This is unicorn. Unicorn says, hi, donkey. Donkey says, I don't want to play with you. So unicorn was very sad. The donkey was very rude. Then after that, there is monkey. Monkey came. Monkey said, okay, monkey went. So bunny came. Bunny said, hi unicorn, don't be sad. I want to play with you. So unicorn was very happy. They went to the playground. Hi Anna. Hi monkey. So we two are. Yes, they are going to play. Now the donkey came. Can I play with you? No. Can I play with you? No. Oh no. I am sorry, unicorn. I was very rude to you. Then unicorn said, it's okay. Next time you should be polite. Okay.
Unicorn, you say this sorry, donkey.
So Unicorn said, Donkey, next time you should be polite so that we can play together. Then they become friends. Yay! Do you know what is Mother's Day?
You.
Mother's Day means what?
You.
Me?
Yeah.
Who am I?
Mama.
Mama?
Yeah.
Mama is what?
Bibi Disa.
Dipidisha?
Yeah.
Who is mother?
I don't know. You?
I am mother.
Yeah.
So what is Mother's Day and what we do in Mother's Day?
This one. This is small hand and another small hand. This one.
Now what is Mother's Day? Do you know anything about that?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yeah.
Have you ever heard about Mother's Day or
Mommy, who
Father's
did
Day?
you cut this hair?
I don't know.
I think my sister.
Sister, okay.
He was hurt.
And what do you want to give gift to Mama in Mother's Day?
Doll.
Doll?
Yeah.
Mama needs a doll?
Yeah, and this doll is very small. I want a big doll too.
Big doll?
Yeah.
You want to give Mama a doll?
Yes.
Nothing else?
Yeah. I don't know what Mama needs to gift.
You don't know what Mama needs a gift?
Yeah.
Cheers say. Lizzie, can you water this plant? Here and we here. This spot. Yeah. No.
Look at this. Let me color it to you. Mommy, can I use a diaper?
Yeah.
We color it. Look at this, it's greeny. Mommy, it's green. So funny.
You
Yeah,
like it?
Yeah, you can.
Do it.
Okay, I cannot toss it.
वेलकमिंग बैक दोस्तों टू द चैनल। आई होप आप सब अच्छे होंगे एंड वी आर ऑल fighting out from this COVID-19, and yeah, we will recover it very soon. I hope you all are doing well, and please take care of yourself and your family by following the guidelines. And a very happy Mother's Day to all the beautiful moms here. Your pretty smile, your kind eyes, your heart of gold, and your healing touch. Mother, you are no less than angel to me, and we love you. Happy Mother's Day to all my friends, to all the moms, and the moms to be. So आज मदर्स डे में I thought to have a canvas painting, and please watch this vlog and let me know how you like this painting. And if you have any thing to say me, please write down in the comment section. I will be so happy to read it out. I have been a depressed mother, a sad mother, a happy mother, a mean mother, a drained mother, a broke mother, a stable mother, an unstable mother. But I have tried my best, be there no matter what. The previous year I have wrote one small little poem, so I wanted to share with you all. I hope you will like it. Sorry for my cold. I'm really having bad allergy, so it's a little bit I'm not able to say it properly because my nose are really stuck. Mother, who is the creator of life, who carried the baby till 10 months in her womb, who takes the pain to bring us to the beautiful world, who sacrifices her dream to build up our future, whose whole life lies within us, who smiles in our difficult things to make us happy, whose prayers and love makes a house as a home. The word mother itself must complete the meaning to a strong, wise and a wonder woman. Being a mother of 2 kids is a blessing. Being a mother of 2 girls is beautiful. I'm just trying to be a good mother who strives to be a best she can be. In this motherhood journey, I make mistakes and I try to rectify them and dust myself off and tries again. I don't think we can say anyone as a perfect mother, as there is no such apparatus to define it. I guess no mom is perfect, or neither they want to be perfect. We just want to give the best, as each parenting style has its own place, and I respect that. So I hope this small poem you will like it. I still remember the day when my two beautiful kids, two beautiful daughter, has took bath. The first, I think it will be very a long video, so I'll share it some next time when we hold these two little. They were little small babies. They were so small. They were tiny. So when Anvi came out, and she was 6 pound, 6.10 pounds. So she was a little one. When she took out, she didn't cry that time, and we were so happy to see her, because it was a long time I went through the pain, and for 24 hours I think I was in pain, and after that 3 years of pushing, and then she came out, and that happiness, we can't hold it. So that was the thing when Anvi was born. And when Disley was born, it was very smooth journey. And they gave me a epidural, so I just have a good sleep. And at 1 o'clock, the doctors and the nurses came. The midwife, actually, here we say, and everyone was there. And in 30 minutes, she came out, and she was crying aloud, and I was laughing because something different was there. Because when Anvi was born, she was very silent. She just came out and she was looking here and there. And when Dishli was born, she was crying loudly. So I was very happy. And she just held me for some time, as she already had the poop in her mouth. So they want to take her. So that was the best part of our life, when these two beautiful kids, babies were there. And और मुझे लगता है जब आप पहली बार माँ बनते हो, the first time when you become a mother, that experience is more difficult when you be a second time mother. The first time is वो आपके साथ बहुत कुछ changes होता है. And the first time when we knew that we are going to be parent, so it was after my birthday, after November 11. I forgot the date, maybe November something, I guess November 13, 14, somewhere that time only we knew that we were pregnant. And that happiness was really different. But yeah, we were happy when we were pregnant for the second time too. But the first time mother is a little bit different, because the first time the experience is more, we'll have a baby, we don't know anything about it, and from the scratch you have to start. So that experience is more different. So I have some few photos. I want to share it, and I hope you will enjoy this. And you can connect me if you are going through this, or maybe you have that before. So it will always last forever, these memories. These are very sweet memories. And sometimes I post in Instagram also. And yeah, if you want to follow me in Instagram, you can follow me in dibi.dishadas. Mostly I have some pictures there which I never share in this blogs, so you can follow me there. Hope this journey with my two beautiful princes will give me more experience, double happiness. Love to see them grow to big girls every day, but still they are always remain my babies forever. Still I grow old with my grey hair. So happy Mother's Day to both the super moms, my mom and my mother-in-law. So my mother-in-law is she's so super first. She is now, I think, 66 or 67, but still and she is very strong. She can do anything. uh, uh, she is a very strong lady. And my mom, now she is not that, but yeah, when we were very small that time, she has done a lot of things. She used to do a lot of things. Yeah, I love her cooking. Some special dishes are there which I love them to eat. Maybe if you are from Odisha, then you can know poi saga, which I love how she make. And in Friday she make dalma, which I love that. I never used to make that type of that taste does not come out. And some of the specialties, some dishes are there which I like of her. And my mother-in-law used to cook a lot of things, and I have learned a few things from her, as we didn't stay long time. So when I was in India, that time I haven't I that time it was very late time. So when she came here for a month, that time I used to learn something, but that was also not enough. But I used to ask before, when the kid was not born, that time I was having a time, so I used to ask her to have some new recipes to do. And she is a good cook. She does different types of different food varieties, and she loves also to cook. But my mother don't love that much to cook. She loves outdoors activities, so she is little bit different. My father loves to cook nowadays. I don't know beforehand. So this is my story, and this is about my mother's and my Mother's Day. So I hope you could relate with me, and if you have any stories, then please do write in the comment section. I will be very happy to read it. So till then, अभी मैं चलती हूँ, नहीं तो ये ब्लॉग बहुत ही बड़ा हो जाएगा. It's already 10 minutes, so I think I have to cut it. मैं फिर से आपके साथ जल्दी ही मिलने आऊँगी. So till then, take care, bye, love you all. Good night. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe to this app, Disha Family, and stay connected with our family. Happy Mother's Day once again to all the lovely mothers here and the beautiful mothers here. Bye.